how the three bodies, the causal, the subtle, and the gross body, they are connected with our prarabdha. Or what is the interlink between the three bodies and the three karmas?
Yeah. Definitely, causal body has nothing to do with prarabdha. Because causal body being the cause of both the bodies, so definitely not connected to prarabdha, but it is directly connected to sanchita karma. In fact, all sanchita karma is in causal body. So you can say openly that causal body represents sanchita karma if you want to see the comparison, nothing wrong in it. Then comes prarabdha is directly connected to both physical body and also subtle body. Because remember that when, if you understand the computer, which will be better to understand, easier will be to understand. If you have 90 model computer, I am just taking you back, okay? 90 model computer, the software that we used, now if you get a 2020 model computer and the software that we use is entirely different. So it appears as though both are like, no, okay, computer, for a common person, okay, both these things. Or if you don't want to, I can give you another example. This, this i3, i4, i5, all these things, i10, these are the things, whatever comes, the processor and whatnot. Now if you look at each version of computer, that had computer hardware, whatever, now needs a different type of software. There is some type of change or development in the software. So let us look at the software is a subtle body. I am trying to give the example is to understand. And the hardware is a gross body. So there is interlinked. Based on the hardware, software is being updated. So even though the physical body is the direct product of or direct expression of prarabdha, please understand. Even though the physical body is the direct expression of, direct product of prarabdha, but the software called mind, the subtle body, also is linked. So that means, again in short, so prarabdha includes both gross body and subtle body. And kriyamana karma, what we call as agami karma, agami karma also equally connected to both gross body and subtle body. Why and how? As you know, every karma has got two types of phalam. So when you say every karma has got two types of phala, means result. So one is called drushtam, or the other one is called adrushtam. So drushtam means that which is visible, the result is visible. For example, you have taken food late night. Next day your food is, your stomach is upset. So you can find out the link. Hey, why my stomach is upset? Because last night, late night, I had late dinner. So that means that late dinner has got a drushta phalam called stomach upset. So a karma has got a drushta phalam. Also, same karma has got also in that also adrushta phalam. It may lead to many complications which you are not able to see, and later on you may not find. And suddenly you discover, and you will not be able to trace why it has happened. So the events that you go through, the situations that you go through, that link you are not able to trace. So that we called as adrushta phalam. So adrushta phalam is called papa and punya. So the word papam and punyam that we talk is related to adrushta phalam. Like for example, I will give you a good example. So when you feed a person, for example, while feeding you are happy. And not only you are happy, also the person, acknowledge, respects you. That is called drushta phalam. Then and there you get it. Adrushta phalam means because you have fed the person, definitely it will also incur some punyam which will be unfolded God knows where. So that means if every karma has got two results called drushya and adrushya. Drushya that we feel or experience then and there, and adrushta we do not know, which gets unfolded in the form of papam and punyam. That means kriyamana karma also has got the same thing. So that means again the kriyamana karma is connected to both physical body and subtle body. And from that kriyamana karma, again some portion goes to the causal body.